Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today, I'm going to talk about something that I don't talk about very often, which is screen protectors. So, I actually put this screen protector on the device. Now, some of you guys said, doesn't Samsung already have an anti-reflective screen? Well, this is the anti-reflective screen protector. So, I can pick up a little bit of my light spotlight there. You can see kind of what the spotlight looks like. Now, let me bring in just a regular phone that doesn't have any kind of anti-reflective. And you can see the difference. See how bright that is? You see that? So that is me doubling down with an anti-reflective screen protector on top of their anti-reflective display. Now, I didn't really do a lot of research to find out if this particular phone has anti-reflective screen on it, coating on it already. I just had the screen protectors, like I said, from the previous gen, and they fit. Obviously, it's a perfect match because it's the same size screen. But I've been using this phone, and I got to tell you, I mean, I use it every day, and I don't talk about all the phones I use at every moment. I don't want to keep following up on phones just to follow up. But it's important to note that a lot of people had questions about this screen protector and why I was putting it on here. This is the official Samsung screen protector for the Galaxy S25 Plus or Galaxy S24 Plus. Those two phones are pretty much identical. So this is the screen protector that you could buy for it. So it's an expensive screen protector, but it's not an expensive screen protector, I guess, when comparison to some others, because that anti-reflective right there, you can see the total difference in comparison to what a phone without any kind of anti-reflective. And it actually works, especially in like direct sunlight and things like that. It's pretty nice. And it's been holding up well. So this is why I wanted to follow up. I was like, man, I wonder, I forgot I even put the screen protector on here, actually. I was surprised at how well it's been holding up. Now, it is kind of scratched. I think it's a few scratches every now and then. I have my always on display on there. It's not scratched up really bad, but it's got little nicks on there. This default screen protector from OnePlus has definitely been through the ringers, and it is definitely it's scratched up, but it's a clear screen protector, and it is scratched. You can really see it, how scratched up it is. And I'm trying to find a nice screen protector for that one, but it's just been very difficult. So for those that had questions about the official Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus or S24 Plus screen protector, this anti-reflective one, it seems to be like anti-scratch too, because it's actually doing really well. Like it's holding up fairly well. You can't see it because I have my always on display turned on, but the truth of the matter is, it is not very scratched up. It's actually holding up extremely well. And I'm surprised. I was like, man, I got to do just a real quick video, because there were so many questions about this screen protector when I put it on like 3 months ago or whatever, how long it's been. People had questions about it, like, why are you doing that? And I didn't so much do it for the anti-reflective. I just like to put a screen protector on my phones. And I had this one left over from the S24 Plus, and it was brand new in the box. And I put it on. I was like, I'm going to use this instead of buying one. So I was going to buy one. I said, I'm going to put this on. And turns out that it was a good deal that I had going on here. So in the end, if you're looking for confirmation on the screen protector for the Galaxy S25 Plus or the Galaxy S20, just any of the anti-reflective screen protectors that they have, they actually work pretty well, and they appear to be anti-scratch as well too, because this thing has been in and out of my pocket with keys and things like that, the same as my OnePlus, and it is not really scratched up at all. So take that for what it is. It's your man Jay. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.